to the virtual class. Today we will see our first poem in English, Standard 5th. Here you can see the picture, that is a small baby. It started to, from the small baby, you can see the older person, right? See student, when you are become a very small, okay, when you become a very small, are you able to do the work like the older person? Are you able to do the work? How your parents are doing the work, how your father is doing the work, how your mother is doing the work. Are you able to do that work when you have become very small? Okay, very good, Vaidehi. No, we are not able to do that work. Okay, what is our duty? We cannot do anything. When we are become very small, who protect us? Who nurture us? Who feed us? Very good, Ayush Tiwari. Very good, Adarsh. Very good. That our parents. Because when we are small at that time, our world is our parents, right? Little bit we are, then after we are become elder. Little bit we are elder, then after our world become a school, our friends, okay, more friends, school. Then after we become a mature person, we become a elder person. That time also our surrounding become change. Okay, whatever your surrounding student, that is your world. When you become a very small, at that time you just be with your family, so your family is your world. Then after you little bit elder, you going to the school. At that time, your world, it's your school also, your family also. And when you become the elder person, mature, you're going to the office, right? So at that time, your world, your surrounding is your office or whatever place you are went out, whatever place, whatever present in your surrounding, that is your world. Okay. Here I'll give the example of the human beings. But in this poem, beta, in this poem, we are talking about the bird. What a bird thought.
You have stopped the recording.
Thank goodness. So our new poem is What a Bird Thought. Okay, first I will recite the whole poem, then I will explain you the each stanza. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pellucid shell. I lived next to a nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? This is this is our poem. In this poem, student, in this poem, student, we are talking about the bird. We are talking about the bird. What a bird thought is a narration by the bird, where it describes the experience, describing the experience of growing up and the way it sees the world. When the bird is started to growing up, so it's describing the world which is present, the bird's surrounding. Further, the bird is saying that it lived in a little nest which was protected by its mother. Okay, that means it's sharing the bird experience. Since it was living in the nest, the bird thought that the world was made up of dry grasses. And at last, when the bird can fly all over the world, it started to flying all over the world, and then it sees the all everywhere the blue skies is there. At last the bird is asking to us, I can't describe the world. I can't describe the world. I cannot tell. Can you? So this is all about the thought of a bird, how the bird sees towards the world. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pellucid shell. What is the small and round here, student? What the bird is talking about? The bird is talking about the egg. The egg shape is small and round. So here the bird is talking about the egg. The first word for the bird, that is the egg, because the bird, it sleeps under the egg. And the egg, eh, the bird is saying it is made of pale blue shell. What is a pale blue shell? That means the light shade of blue color. Pale, that means the light shade, light shades of colors. But here what is mentioned? Pale blue shell, that means the light shade of blue. Okay, so that's the reason bird is saying that the world for me is a small and round. Why the bird is saying like this? Because now the bird is inside the egg. Okay, let's see the next. Next, I lived nest in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. So here the bird is again saying, now the next house is the nest. Nest, because once the egg is hatched, once the egg is cracked, the eggs is the chicks are come out, and the the bird is so, that small bird is so the nest, and the nest is made of straw. That means a dry grasses. Straw, that means a dry grasses, that we called a nest. And that is covered by my mother. That is covered by my mother, because the birds are small. So who will look after the small bird? Obviously the mother will look after. The mother bird protect them, give them food, nurture them. So that's the reason the bird is saying, now my next house is the nest, and it is covered by my mother, because my mother look after me and she protect me. Okay, so now the world, now the world, now what the bird is thought? My world is, that is the straw house. The world is made up of straw house, and it is covered by my mother, right? Now see the next stanza. One day I flutter from the nest to see what I could find. Flutter. Here the flutter means what, student? Flutter means Flutter means flap the wings quickly and light. When the birds try to fly, at that time they are flutter. They flap the wings quickly and light. As you can see in this picture, see they are trying to fly. So that means the bird come up little bit from the nest. Then the bird is find out that there is a green leaves are there, because obviously the nest are made on the tree. So when they move ahead from the nest, he find out everywhere the leaves are there. I have been very blind. Now the bird is saying, I have been very blind. I have been very blind, because he can find only the leaves surround the bird. Now the bird is thought the world is made of leaves. Why the bird is saying the world is made of leaves? Because in the surrounding only the leaves are there. So that's the reason bird is thought the world is made of leaves. At last, I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? Now, here, at least the bird was mature bird. Okay, now the bird can be fly all over the sky. Then once he start this fly all over the sky, he find out the sky is blue in color. Now I cannot tell how the world is really made, because there are different things in the world. Okay, there are the greenery, trees, waterfalls, there are the mountains. I cannot explain how the world is made. There are the different creatures in the world. Okay, I cannot tell. Can you? At the last, the bird asking us. I cannot describe the world. Can you tell? Okay, so this is all about today's poem, students. And our poem is What a Bird Thought. Okay, in this poem, students, we have the new words. New words, that is a flutter, that is a flap the wings quickly and light. And play pale blue shell. What is the pale blue shell? That is a light shade of blue, light shade of blue. Now, rhyming words. In this poem, students, we have the rhyming words. Everyone's know about the rhyming words. Rhyming words means what? Where the two words sounds are similar, that is called a rhyming words. That is called the rhyming words. For example, wait, let me share the screen. Okay, for example, here, well, shell. These two are the rhyming words. I will give you only just a one example. Huh? Others example, you have to give me. Well, shell. See, here the sounds are same. Okay, this is the one example of rhyming words like a call and tall. The sounds are similar. That is the rhyming words. Okay, just a second. That is the rhyming words. Now here, Sakshi Mahajan. Beta, unmute yourself. Sakshi Mahajan. Where is she? Sakshi Mahajan. Okay, she's not responding. Samruddhi. Samruddhi. Am I audible? Please respond it. Whenever I call out your name, you have to be respond. Okay? Samruddhi. Yes, beta. Am I audible? Okay, she's not responding. Students, are you feeling fear or what? No, we have to do lots of activities. We have to do the reading also, right? Whenever teacher call out your name, you have to pay attentive because in between I'll give you different tasks. Remember this thing. Jagruti, unmute yourself. Jagruti.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta, very good. Now just read this first stanza.
Yes, I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell.
Read the new word also.
Pale blue shell, light shade of blue.
Very good, student. This is the first stanza of this poem. Now in this para, I already told you the rhyming word, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can mute yourself. Now next student, Abhinav Pandey. Arohi Chindarkar.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Beta, read the second stanza.
I live next in a little nest, nor needed an other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother.
Very good. Now, can you find out the rhyming word?
Other mother.
Very good, Arohi. Very good. Very nice. You have responded very well. Good. Now, next student. See, student, I want your participation. You have to be read out. All right. And those are interested for the reading, first raise the hand. Let me see how many students are interested for the reading. Very good. I can see many of the students, but I want 100% students should raise their hand. Okay. Ayush Tiwari.
Yes, teacher. Good morning.
Very good morning, beta. Start the reading. Third stanza.
One day I floated from the next to see what I could find. I said the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind.
Very blind. What is this? Blind.
Very blind.
Okay. Not able to see. That is very blind. And that is the fluttered. F-U-L-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Okay. Very good. Good try. Now, beta, can you find out the rhyming word in this stanza? Can you find out? No? No problem. I will tell you. No problem. That is find and blind. two words where the sounds are similar. That is a find and blind. Okay. Ayush Tiwari, you can mute yourself. Now next student, Daksh. Daksh, beta unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Read the last stanza.
At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made I cannot tell. Can you?
Okay, very good. You have read it nicely. Okay, tell me the rhyming word now in this in this stanza. Okay. Most of the students are start to reply through the chat. They are giving answer. Okay, you don't know the answer?
No.
Daksh?
No.
No problem. I will tell you better. That is the very good. Most of the students are start replying through the chat. Okay, very good. That is the blue and flew. That is the blue and flew. Very good, Adarsh. No, blue and you will not. Blue and you, it's not a rhyming word because the sound are not same beta. That is the blue and flew. Aniket, very good. Okay, so this is all about the poem and rhyming words. Now let us see the hard words which is mentioned in your notes. Okay, which is mentioned in your notes. Now, Viraj, Viraj Tadvi, unmute yourself, Vidya. Hello, Viraj. Okay, fine. I'll give the chance to next student. Aryan Kamble. Aryan Kamble.
Yes, teacher.
Beta, see, this is the new words which is mentioned in your notes also. Just read out the new word.
Fluted,
Fluttered,
pillar, naturally, commercial, content,
commotion.
and astounded.
Okay, wait. You have to repeat after me. Aryan, you have to repeat after me. Say first, fluttered,
Flutter,
commotion.
the commercial,
Yes, commotion. Welding,
welding,
unfamiliar,
unfamiliar,
contest,
context,
clarified,
clarified,
naturally,
naturally,
astounded,
astounded,
earthen.
earthen.
Very good. Aryan, you need a practice. Do the reading practice at your home, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Unmute yourself. Now, it's a time to ask you the questions, okay?